I take this opportunity to welcome you in the awareness of our oneness. There is only one. It is you and me and all and everything. Our contemplation for this week is the sound of the raindrops is heard in the empty hall. Hekiganroku. Have you ever had the experience of sitting in an empty room while it is raining and not even hearing the rain? Why is it not heard? Perhaps it's because our minds are so noisy with endless thoughts that all else is drowned out. We are lost in the fantasies of the mind and simply not present in the here and now reality. This quotation from a Zen master is all about wakefulness. If the mind is focused and dominantly still, we are fully alive and attentive. We are wakeful in the here and now, the eternal now of true reality. And we acutely sense everything that is happening. We hear the raindrops because we are the empty hall. Such wakefulness unveils our true nature, and we are happy for no reason. This week, let us cultivate wakefulness. Focus your awareness and be present in the here and now of life happening. Empty yourself that you might experience fullness, the fullness of life, a conscious and happy energy delighting in itself. Once again, I welcome you as one. Yes.